I would advise current media and journalism students to embrace change, chase it, get ahead of it, love it, use it, employ it to tell your stories, and always try and stay one step ahead of the game.
It's all about working hard. It's all about the work ethic. No one's going to give it to you. You have to take it. That's really all there is to it. It's your opportunity to take.
One of the things I love about Hofstra is that they constantly bring back people and alumni to engage with the students, what we're doing today.
Don't be satisfied with just having one job. You should always have more than one stream of income. Even if it's like you have one permanent job, do freelance writing on the side, do freelance voiceovers on the side. That way, if something happens to your company that's beyond your control, you still have other ways of making money, and you don't have to panic.
I think take advantage of everything, every opportunity you get. There are way more opportunities for students to do things outside of this building, and I think take advantage of all of that too, because what you learn here is great, but what you learn out there is great too.
I loved my time at Hofstra. We all became a family. I was very involved with WRHU, and I still keep in touch with them, and I graduated in '99, so almost 20 years I've been out of school, and when you come back here, it's really like coming home.